Every legendary motorcycle begins with a bold vision. Inside this advanced American factory, innovation, engineering, and precision come together. The journey starts with premium-grade steel. Every sheet is carefully inspected to ensure the strength, durability, and reliability required for a world-class motorcycle. Computer-controlled laser cutting machines shape each component with incredible precision, ensuring every piece meets exact engineering specifications. Powerful robotic welding systems join the frame together with unmatched accuracy, creating the strong backbone of the motorcycle.
After welding, every frame undergoes a detailed quality inspection before moving to the finishing and paint department.
The frame enters an automated powder coating line. Here, a protective layer is applied to prevent corrosion. This ensures long-lasting durability. Every completed motorcycle is assigned a unique identification number, ensuring full traceability throughout its entire lifetime. Inside the paint booth, robotic arms apply multiple layers of premium paint, creating a flawless finish with exceptional precision.
Meanwhile, high-precision CNC machines carve the engine block from solid aluminium with microscopic accuracy.
Expert technicians assemble pistons, crankshafts, and cylinders, transforming individual parts into a powerful motorcycle engine. Every completed engine is tested under controlled conditions to verify power, efficiency, and long-term reliability. The painted frame and fully tested engine finally meet on the main assembly line, where the motorcycle begins to take shape.
The front and rear suspension systems are carefully installed to deliver stability, comfort, and precise handling.
Precision-built alloy wheels and high-performance tires are mounted, preparing the motorcycle for the road ahead. With every major component in place, the motorcycle now resembles the machine that riders around the world will soon experience. Technicians install the complete wiring harness, connecting every electrical component with absolute precision for flawless performance. The digital instrument cluster is fitted. It gives riders instant access to speed, fuel level, navigation, and vital riding information. LED headlights, taillights, and turn signals are installed, combining modern styling with outstanding visibility and road safety. The seat, handlebars, mirrors, and final body panels are added, transforming the machine into a complete motorcycle. Every bolt is tightened to the exact factory specification, using computer-controlled torque tools for maximum reliability.
Each motorcycle passes through an advanced electronic diagnostic system that checks every sensor and onboard control unit.
Highly trained quality inspectors carefully examine every detail to ensure the motorcycle meets the highest manufacturing standards. The finished motorcycle is placed on a dynamometer, where engineers evaluate acceleration, braking, and overall engine performance. With every inspection successfully completed, the motorcycle is now ready for its first ride and the journey beyond the factory. Professional test riders take the motorcycle onto a closed test track, where every movement is carefully evaluated under real-world riding conditions. The suspension, steering, and braking systems are pushed through demanding tests to guarantee smooth handling and complete rider confidence. Engineers analyze performance data collected during the ride, making sure every motorcycle meets strict factory standards before approval. After final approval, the motorcycle receives a complete cleaning and detailed polishing to achieve its showroom quality finish. The finished motorcycles move into the shipping department, where they are carefully prepared for transport across the country and overseas. Protective packaging keeps every motorcycle safe from damage, while traveling thousands of miles to dealerships around the world. Loaded onto trucks, each motorcycle begins its journey, from the factory to dealerships, ready to meet its future owner. Inside the dealership, every motorcycle is carefully inspected once again before being proudly displayed in the showroom.
From a simple engineering concept to a finished machine, every motorcycle represents craftsmanship, innovation, and the passion to build something.
Before delivery, every motorcycle receives a final visual inspection under powerful studio lighting to ensure every surface is absolutely flawless.
The battery is installed, and every electronic system is activated, bringing the motorcycle to life for the very first time.
Engineers start the engine and carefully listen to every sound, confirming smooth operation and perfect mechanical balance.
The motorcycle completes one final functional inspection, where lights, brakes, throttle, and safety systems are tested together.
Once approved, the motorcycle receives its official quality certification before leaving the production facility.
The completed motorcycle is carefully rolled into a transport container, ready for dealerships across the United States. Powerful transport trucks leave the factory every day, delivering motorcycles to customers who have been waiting for months. At the dealership, technicians remove protective covers and prepare each motorcycle for its official showroom display. Every polished detail reflects the precision, dedication, and engineering excellence invested throughout the manufacturing process. From raw materials to the open road, this motorcycle represents American engineering, advanced technology, and a passion for perfection. Every journey begins with a single twist of the throttle, but behind that moment lies thousands of hours of engineering, testing, and precision manufacturing. As the motorcycle accelerates onto the open highway, every component works together in perfect harmony to deliver power and control. Its powerful engine delivers smooth acceleration, while advanced suspension absorbs every bump with confidence and comfort. Modern braking systems respond instantly, giving riders complete confidence in every corner and every unexpected situation. Every mile reflects the dedication of hundreds of skilled workers, whose craftsmanship makes this ride possible. Innovation never stops, as engineers continue improving performance, safety, efficiency, and rider comfort with every new generation. Behind every successful motorcycle stands a team, driven by passion, precision, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. State-of-the-art robotics and skilled human craftsmanship work side by side, creating motorcycles trusted around the world. From the first design sketch to the final road test, every step is guided by precision, innovation, and uncompromising quality. This is more than a motorcycle. It is the result of vision, technology, and American manufacturing excellence brought to life. Each motorcycle is carefully loaded onto transport trailers, beginning its journey from the factory to dealerships across the United States. Thousands of miles later, these motorcycles arrive at dealerships, where they are prepared for their first proud owners. Dealership technicians perform one final inspection to ensure every motorcycle is delivered in perfect condition. For many riders, this is the moment they have been waiting for. the first time they see their new motorcycle in person. The engine comes alive with a deep, powerful sound, marking the beginning of countless unforgettable adventures. As the motorcycle rolls onto the open road, years of engineering instantly become a thrilling riding experience. Whether crossing mountain roads or endless highways, every ride reflects the quality built into every single component. Behind successful journey stands a factory, where thousands of skilled professionals work with dedication every single day. Every curve, every mile, and every destination reminds riders why precision engineering makes all the difference. From raw steel to the freedom of the open road, this is the remarkable journey of an American-built motorcycle. As daylight fades, the motorcycle continues its journey. True engineering performs flawlessly in every condition. Bright LED headlights cut through the darkness, providing outstanding visibility and confidence on every nighttime ride.